Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Efsane Airdrop, how to register and earn free $12 worth of EFS token. This is free, no investment, and you can withdraw it once it is due. Now work with me step by step on how to get registered. I will drop the referral link in the video description. Do well to use that referral link, click on it, register and earn free without any investment. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value content. Right now we are going to get started. So all you need is your phone number. Here you are going to click on this +90. You select your country code. If you are in Nigeria, our country code is +234. Just tap on this +90. So you are going to scroll down, look for your country. It's better to scroll down because at times if you search it here, you might find out that your country is not there. All countries are here, but you have to scroll till you reach your country. So I'm going to scroll till I locate Nigeria N. So look at our country, our beloved country. Once you tap on it, you're going to put your country code. Then the next thing to do right here is to put your phone number. You're going to put your phone number. Then you click on send verification code. Make sure that your phone number you put is correct, because once you click on send verification code, they are going to send you a code to that phone number. Just go to your messages, copy the code, which is 6-digit code. Once you paste it here, then you will see the invitation code. My invitation code will be showing there. Look at what they said here. Let's look at this update they said here. So let's look at what they wrote here. Please note that you can receive verification code via WhatsApp or voice notification. Should in case if you are not able to receive the phone number verification, you can click on either WhatsApp or Telegram or voiceover. You can use any method to receive the code. Then the next thing to do is you must see my invitation link here. So you must put your password, then you confirm the password, you then register. It's very simple. It's something that is seamless. It doesn't waste time. Then once you register, so once you register, it's going to bring out the login session again, whereby you put the same email and the country code and your password. Then you now click on login. So this is the last step. This is the app. This is how you mine the project. It is very simple. All you have to do is to be on the daily check-in at least period of 3 days to earn this reward. After that 3 days, you can continue, but at least the first airdrop eligibility criteria is that you must be on a daily streak for 3 days, and after that it doesn't end there. Just keep on doing the same thing. You come here and click on this personal center, tap on it. So this is how you mine. You are going to come here, you can now see jams, my jams. So all you have to do is, I have claimed for today, that is why it has shown signed in. But if you have not claimed, you will now say sign in. Once you tap on it, you will sign in and you will get available jams immediately, which is worth 400 jams. By May due, we are accumulating jams. So right now the only jam I have here is 400. I started today, so you can as well join us. Let's make it together. Let's cash out together. Then another place you can see is this spot account. Tap on the spot account. So now that I registered, I have 2,400 jams. I was given this. Now the frozen EFS is 2, which was $6. That is $3 each. So this is what this token worth for now. So this is frozen. It has not yet been listed, but it's going to be listed and withdrawable July 22nd, 2025. That is next month. You are still early. Join right now and earn passive reward. So over here you can now see deposit, withdrawable, transfer. So if you click on withdrawable, you can now withdraw, but that is once the token is listed, you can withdraw it. And another thing is that you can transfer this token. Let's assume you click on transfer. You can transfer from EFC to FI to any currency. You can transfer it to choose. Then another way to earn points is by using this referral link. You get referral link. Tap on this invitation link. Now you have to invite your friends and families to earn reward. There will be a commission for you to invite your friends and families. So this is what you need to do to earn more points. So we are going to look at their latest update on their Twitter handle, Efsane Global, how to sign in to receive gems and airdrop. Log in into your Efsane account, click on Personal Center, select sign in to complete daily check-in. Sign in daily to receive gems, which not only have a wide range of uses in the future, but can also be directly exchanged for EFS. Users who sign in continuously will also have the opportunity to participate in the monthly airdrop reward event. Don't miss it out now. So this is the latest update on how to sign in. Sign in continuously and you have the chance to get the airdrop. Another airdrop is coming, which is called bangla airdrop. Countdown is 90 days. Once you join, you will be able to receive this token. Once this token goes live, they said here, register now to receive $12. So if you register immediately, you're going to receive $12. So link in the video description. Start immediately. So you can join their WhatsApp group, their Telegram channel, their Instagram channel, and their X account to be getting first-hand updates. Turn on the bell notification. So make sure that you participate in this 6-round airdrop coming soon, which is the bangla airdrop. Link in the video description. So that is it for this video. If you've got value from this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value content. Thank you guys, and do not forget I'm currently buying and selling USDT on Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp and the admin, then I will reply you instantly. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.